to offer the best option for all investors from traditional securities to cryptocurrency investment. Berkshire's investment practice is full of initiative. It makes use of its sensitive business sense to take the initiative and always maintains the professional quality of discovering value targets. Of course, every investment of Berkshire is in line with the long-curve growth trend. Berkshire's record, or Buffett's charm, makes people want to exchange all their chips for more because everyone wants to earn more. However, from a personal stance, we have to admit that such a threshold will block us out. Berkshire's higher return on investment belongs to institutional investors and has nothing to do with retail investors. So how can individual investors choose a good way of investment? Before introducing Grayscale, we should learn about the encryption magnate, Digital Currency Group, hereinafter referred to as DCG, which is called by its founder as the Berkshire Hathaway of the encryption world. Its scale has already exceeded $10 billion. Including investment in Coinbase, the world's largest exchange, Decentraland, the leader of metaverse concept, etc. Its Grayscale, Coindesk and Genesis are particularly famous. Holding Coca-Cola alone is enough to shock ordinary investment institutions. In 1988, Buffett bought $593 million of Coca-Cola stock. In 1989, the amount increased significantly to $1.024 billion. In 1994, the total investment reached $1.299 billion, which has remained unchanged since then. This is amazing. Of course, every investment of Berkshire is in line with the long-curve growth trend. From the perspective of operation mode, the trust fund of Grayscale can be regarded as an ETF. It was investigated and dealt with by the SEC in 2014. Therefore, since then, Grayscale deliberately stopped the redemption function on the grounds that the SEC would not approve it and did not strive for it anymore, which led to the ETF becoming a multi-currency encrypted capital pool with multiple encrypted currencies led by Bitcoin. With no channels for getting back the digital currency, the investors could only cash in the OTC market with the Grayscale Trust, and the currency holding of the Grayscale Fund would only rise unilaterally. This is why the price of Grayscale Trust has always been at a premium. Up to now, the Grayscale Trust has held a total of 13 currencies, which are successively the leading projects of subdivided projects such as BTC, ETH, Blink, Phil and Mana. Although investors do not have to worry about the risk of return to zero, the optional power for them still lacks diversity. Grayscale, as a cryptocurrency trust, has the same over-centralized management as that of Buffett's Berkshire. At the same time, the door of the Grayscale Fund is not open to individual investors. Like Berkshire, it is a hotbed for institutional investors, which still discourages some individual investors. So it seems that the Grayscale Fund fails to give a better solution to personal investment. Superior Protocol Mechanism Black Hole DAO was an upgraded version based on Olympus DAO, but such a description may be too narrow. To be exact, Black Hole DAO constructed a brand new standardized model based on DeFi 3.0, with a burn mechanism that solved the imbalance between high inflation and deflation based on the principle of splitting and merging of the traditional stock market. Moreover, the credit loan service of DAOs is launched in the new mechanism. It can be interpreted simply as a service protocol for enterprise asset management, which includes a splitting and merging function while providing the unsecured credit loan services based on itself. So it is like a loan business of a bank. Black Hole DAO also cleverly uses and upgrades the principles of stacking bond in Olympus,